Hello everyone. So our today's video is how to draw the Lewis structure for aluminum chloride. So we'll following these steps determining the total number of valence electrons. So as you know, the aluminium has 3 valence electron and each chlorine has 7 valence electron. So in total we have 3 for aluminium and 7 into 3 for chlorine. So it means that we have 21 valence electron from chlorine and 3 valence electron from aluminium. So total we have 24 valence electrons. So as you aluminium has less electronegative than chlorine, so it will be the center atom where the chlorine will revolve around. So aluminium will form a three single bonds with each chlorine atom, and each bond will consist 2 electrons pair. Therefore, the 6 electrons are used for bonding. Distributing the remaining electrons after forming the bonds, we have 18 electrons left, since 24 minus 6, which were used for chlorine. Uh, so we are left with 18 electrons. So the remaining 6 electrons of each chlorine will be assigned with the lone pair, alone with the chlorine. So each chlorine has 3 lone pairs, and aluminium will form 3 single bonds with the chlorine with 6 electrons in total. So the final Lewis structure is shown below. If you still have any other question, just leave a comment and I'll answer you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video.